Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a Philips Oneblade trimmer. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Cleaning your Philips Oneblade trimmer is actually really easy to do. There is an every time type of cleaning that you should do, and then a sometimes type of cleaning that you should do. So essentially, every time you use the Philips Oneblade trimmer, what you want to do to clean it is very simple. Just turn it off. So if it's on, you're using it to shave, right? Turn it off, make sure it's powered off. And then you want to blow into the head of the unit and just blow out any hair that's stuck in there and any dirt, debris, or anything else that's stuck in there, because obviously on your face there's oils and stuff like that. So just go like this. Okay? And do it a few times. And the hair will just come flying out of the unit. Make sure you do this like over a garbage or outside or over a sink, so you keep all of that hair contained and you can clean it up easily after. So that's what you should do every time, okay? And then sometimes, so I'd say like every maybe 5 shaves, give or take, every 5 full shaves, or if you're shaving your head and your face, maybe every 2 or 3 times, you want to actually rinse it under lukewarm water. So once again, if it's powered on, make sure it's powered off. And then just rinse just the head of the unit, just this, under lukewarm water. And then don't bang it against the side of the sink. I know with old razors, we're used to banging them against the side of the sink. This is not your typical razor. Don't do that because you can damage the unit. So essentially, every time you use it, you want to blow into the unit, the head of the unit, and make sure obviously it's powered off when you do that. That should clean it well enough. And then every few times that you use the unit, and every few times that you do a full shave, you can be the judge of how clogged it gets and how dirty it looks. But you want to rinse it under lukewarm water, just the head of the unit, and then just let it dry thoroughly. So you want to make sure you let it dry thoroughly, and make sure it's powered off for both of those scenarios. And when you rinse it under lukewarm water, what you can do, what I like to do is I like to just pop off the head of the unit carefully, and that allows it to dry a little bit better. So I'll leave it to the side like this separately. That allows it to dry a little bit better. Once it's dry, I put it back on and we're good to go. That is essentially how to clean a Philips Oneblade trimmer, a super duper easy peasy tutorial, and that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.